Welcome to the channel. In this video, we review the Crypto Future interface. Here you can see mine USDT automatically and live user activity. Now we move to account creation. The form is simple. After login, we enter the dashboard. USDT mining is already running. Mining power starts at around 1000 megahash. Now we press claim. The system confirms the action successfully. Here is the free faucet with a timer. The USDT balance is increasing in real time. Now we open the faucet again. You can claim free mining power between 10 and 100 megahash. Now we move to the withdrawal section. Here we select the network. The system shows more balance is required before withdrawal. Back to dashboard, mining activity continues. The balance keeps updating automatically. The platform also supports multiple languages.